So this is my windmill that I had from last week. Right now I have my fan going right in front of it, which is like parallel. So if you turn right here, you'll see that my fan is right in front of it. And with minimal effort, you can see that the fan is somewhat moving, but as we get a little bit closer, you can see that the possible effect of this tape that I have right here to keep everything together in the middle is that it's probably holding it back from moving faster. And as you can see in the back, there's only about 5 paper clips on it. And so the goal of this whole project really is to see as much if we can get as many possible paper clips to move with the windmill as possible. So when I come back, I'm going to show you guys a different way of doing the windmill so that there can be more paper clips on it, but also it can move a lot faster. Okay, so what I did here is I changed the middle of my windmill, and I put the top of a Q-tip in the middle so that it wouldn't be obstructing the way of the windmill and how it moves. And I moved this back. I moved the pin back that we have to put in the back of the windmill so that it has a little bit more space to move. I'm also adding more tape because, as you can see right here, I only have a really small piece on the back of this windmill just to make sure that it's stable when it moves. In addition to those minor adjustments I just made, I realized that my fan, which is right behind where I am right now, while right across, it's actually not the same height. So I'm going to adjust this by putting the windmill on a higher surface on top of the table that I'm already using so that the windmill can actually reach it when it's blowing. Lastly, I also decided to tape my windmill onto the surface that I am using to put it in front of the fan, so it shouldn't be moving in any sort of form, and hopefully a strong surface will make it so that the wind will glide a little bit faster. Okay, and now that I have 5 paper clips on the windmill, it's still moving. Let me push it up a little bit further. And as you can see, it's still going pretty fast actually. It does move. It does stop and move quite frequently, so it'll stop and then start going again, like right here. And as I push it up, I notice that it goes a lot faster, right? But I have to keep this on. I have to keep my hands on the back of the windmill to make it so that this doesn't fly back. So I think the next time I do this experiment, or the next time I try to improve it, I'm going to put some tape from the clip of the back, from the clip of the windmill to the back of the straw. And when I do so, it does like this. It looks like this. And it moves pretty fast actually. So I think having those small minor adjustments really did help. I'm sure there's a way that this windmill can go faster.